friends, my name is Ankita Narkhede and today's date is 4 January and today's topic is list. Let's discuss about the collection in Java. So, collection in Java is a framework that provides a architecture to store, manipulate and store and manipulate that group of objects. Collection can achieve all the operation that you perform on a data such as searching, sorting, insertion and manipulation and deletion. Java collection means that single unit of object Java collection framework provide many interface like set, list, queue and classes, array list, vector, link list and priority queue and hash set, link hash set and tree set. Now we will see what is collection in Java. So as we know, collection is a single unit of object, single unit of objects. Now we will see next what is framework in Java. Collection provide a ready-made architecture. It represents set of as and interface. It is a optional. Now we will see what is need of collection framework. When I take int x is equal to 10, int y is equal to 20 and z is equal to 30. Here x represent 10, y represent 20 and z represent 30. But suppose I have to take 100,000 values thousand value, so we have to declare 1000 variable. So it is worst practice, so it is worst practice in that readability. To overcome this problem, we should go for next level of array concept. So we go for array concept. For example, student in round bracket s and is equal to new student square bracket 1000. So we take 1000 student object. So advantage of array is we can store big number of object using single variable. Let us consider limitation of array of an fixed size. Once we create we cannot change the size at the runtime. We cannot increase and decrease the size. Same data type are stored in the array. Linked list. So we are talking about linked list. As we know, there are two types of linked list. Two types of linked list. Array. We will talk about array list. Array list class use dynamic array for sorting the elements. Array list like an array, but in array list there is no size limit. As we know, the size of array is fixed, so we cannot change the size. So in array list we can add and remove the elements anytime. So it is much more flexible than traditional array. The array list has duplicate element also. Linked list is linked list. Second type is linked list. Second type is linked list in Java is a part of the collection framework. Linked list class linked list class use doubly linked list to store the element. It provide limited it provides linked list data structure. Java linked list class can contain duplicate element. Java linked list class maintain insertion order. When when you adding the value in the list, for example, copy the value will be displayed. Link size is non synchronized. So in linked list, every element is separated object with data part and address part. The element are linked using private and pointer and address. Each element is known as node. Since a linked list acts as a dynamic array, and we cannot we do not have to declare the size while creating it. The size of list automatically increase when we add and remove it. Thank you. This is the explanation of the list.